we are on record that we have said that आमचे जे अलायन्स पार्टनर्स जाका आमी बरोबर घेवपाक सोदता तातूंत आमी फर्स्ट फेजीन अबाउट 11 सिटां आमी डिक्लेअर केली वेर देर वॉज नो डिस्कशन. देर वर सर्टन सीट्स where discussion was going on. There were certain issues which was not getting resolved. ती सिटां आमी सगळी सायडीन दवरली, including one seat where we had a sitting ZP also. Why? Because we thought that Goa needs unity. Goa people's sentiment is that all have to come together. That is the reason, being the largest opposition party in the state and the oldest national party, we thought that we will take a step back. आता तातूं भितर some people have released the list of constituencies where there were issues where we were discussing. So ताका लागून we have a PEC today, Pradesh Election Committee also is there. Our in charge also is coming tomorrow. And I think final call we will take after the meeting. So I had briefed the media that today there is a meeting, and after the meeting we'll brief you what happens. So my request is that please wait for our official communication. All the efforts are there to get everybody together. And if somebody is trying to put a rift, I think that is not correct. People must have spoken a lot of things. I am not the person who will speak anything. Our effort is to get everybody together. There is Vijay Sardesai, there is Manoj Parab there. Certain seats discussion is going on. We have discussed in our PEC also, our AICC in charge also has spoken. So regarding that we'll discuss and take the final call on that. So please wait till official communication comes from the party.
There was a meeting regarding the RG and you, because Goa Forward had given a clarification that Goa Forward has not been taken while the meeting was held between RG and Congress.
No, हांव फक्त एकूच हाका आशिल्लो, but rest आमचे जे लीडर आसा पार्टीचे they were in talks, they are talking with them. So आमचे leaders are talking, communicating.
म्हाका तुमच्या एलायन्स कित्याक म्हणजे की आयजूच आर्जीन तेंचे लिस्ट आउट केला आनी सांताक्रूज तेंच्यांनी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी थंय तेंच्यांनी कॅन्डिडेट डिक्लेअर केला आनी तुमचो ऑलरेडी सांताक्रूज सिटींग ZP आहा. सो तेका लागून
as I told you that I don't want to make any premature statement. आमची मीटिंग जावनी, मिटिंगेन we have to take a final call. Just coming in front of media and addressing is not correct on my part. I know that I am the president of the party, but then moral responsibility is that we have a state level Pradesh Election Committee where our senior members, our CLP leader, our ex-MP, our senior leaders are there, elected MLAs are there. So we will discuss and we will tell you what is the outcome of it.
2 दीस पयलीं सुद्दां तुमच्यांनी जी लिस्ट आउट केल्ली पळय तेन्ना मनोज परबान स्टेटमेंट केलो की तुमच्यांनी तेजी चीट केल्या म्हणून. तुम्ही असले ते वांगडा लिस्ट आउट करपाक आसले आनी मात तुमच्यांनी पयली लिस्ट आउट केली आनी तांकां इन्फॉर्म सुद्दां करूंक ना हें तेणी म्हणटा.
But I would like to say only one thing, that I am still sticking to the statement I gave 2 days before, that we released the first list where there was no discussion on partners coming together on those seats. So that we have declared.
अमित बाब, RG सायडीच्यान अशें आयकूंक येता की सिटां डिक्लेअर केल्या, ती सीटां तुमी एलायन्सान तांकां दिल्या, सो अशें बीन कितें ठरलां?
आमचे discussions were going on, okay, regarding these seats. There is not only Manoj Parab, there is Vijay Sardesai also, and this was between the all three, okay. So ताजेर आमचे जावनी फायनल कितें आउटकम येता ताजो वी विल ब्रीफ यू.
फायनल आउटकम काडपाक मातसो पूण चड टायम काडटात दिसना तुमी?
कितें जाता when different political parties are coming together, then certain issues are there. जेन्ना if it was one single party, we could have taken a stand. As I know that it is affecting my candidates, it is affecting, I am under severe pressure, I am telling you, from all across the states. म्हाका इतलो प्रेशर आसा की आमचे जे कॅन्डिडेट्स आसा, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस थिंग आय एम नॉट एबल टू डिक्लेअर देम. सो दॅट फायनल मिटींग वील हॅव टू डू, वील टेक अ कॉल.
आयज अलायन्स करनाशिल्ली पार्टी म्हणटा आमी अलायन्स करून तो बरो जालो, एटलीस्ट आमकां तयारी तरी करूंक मेळ्ळी.
हाजेर म्हाका उलोवपाचें ना. आमी एक कित्याक लागून एकठांय येवपाचो प्रयत्न केल्लो बिकॉज people of Goa thought that it has to be a united fight. That was the reason we made an attempt to come together.
But right now,
I think
RG is with you.
Rowdy.
RG is with you right now. RG
सांगलें
party.
तुका talks, discussions are going on. We had given a proposal. So त्या proposalaचे अजून what is the counter proposal? I have not received.
But how
I'll have to
he
check
can
with
give
my-
the statement that Congress have cheated us?
गेम गेली म्हटलं तेणे हय उतार वोट करूया
ताजेर आमी जे प्रपोजल दिल्ले ताचे काउंटर प्रपोजल म्हजे कडेन अजून येवं ना. आमचे लीडर आर इन टॉक्स विथ देम. वन्स आवर मीटिंग हॅपन्स आय
So
विल लेट
all alliance are right now till right
our
now.
efforts are there to get everybody together. Till the last moment, I will try to get everybody together. That is our whole aim. Now, if somebody doesn't want to come together, I can't help.
मग अमित आता
लास्ट मोमेंट केन्ना आसतलो
Full-
लास्ट मोमेंट केन्ना आसतलो इलेक्शन फाल्यां आसा तेचे पयलीं लास्ट मोमेंट काय डेडलायन
आज
हय, कित्याक-
सांगलें न्ही की आज येदोळ हांवें मिडिया कोण आयिल्ले म्हजे म्हऱ्यान आनी तांकां सांगिल्लें की आज आमची मिटींग आहा सांजचे बाय 5:30 6 o'clock. We'll brief you whatever is the outcome of that meeting.
बाय